Hello, my little babies. Hello, welcome to Baby Cook That Thing. Coming at you with a scratch on my head, but it's okay because today we're making hummus, or as it's known in my neck of the woods, hummus. Hummus. It's gonna be silky. It's gonna be smooth. We're gonna eat it. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. No, yeah.
Okay, get yourself 250 grams of chickpeas. You could get canned or just boil them, but it takes like 24 hours, so get canned. It'll be fine. Now, this next step is optional. You can go get one by one the little chickpeas and remove the outer skin, and this will make a much smoother hummus texture, but it's not necessary. I mean, I like chunky hummus anyway, but I like smooth also, so if you want to, do that. Anyway, what you're seeing me do here is very important. I am cutting 1 clove of garlic into little fine pieces, and then a little trick I learned. Just put some salt on there and then use the knife and like the flat side, just flatten it out like that. Okay, go through the entire clove just a few times, and then you get your homemade garlic paste. So 1 clove of that. Okay, and this is the easiest thing in the world. You just need to freaking blitz everything together. Put all the hummus there. You want to save some of the cooking water that you use to cook the chickpeas in, the water that's left over. Leave that because you're going to want to add water to make it smooth. So you want to keep the chickpea flavor. So that's what you want. And about half a lemon. This is to your taste. Half a lemon was pretty much good for me. And then start blitzing it all up. The chickpeas, water, and the lemon. And just let it go, let it get smooth. It's not going to be insanely smooth now because we're going to have to add some more stuff, but you first want to give it a good blitz. Then, that's my old phone from back in the day, whatever. It's not in the best shape. Just try to ignore that for the rest of the video as it lies there. Anyway, this is the hummus. It's kind of chunky at this stage, but give it a taste for salt, which is what we're adding here. Then I thought I needed a bit more lemon, so I added some more lemon. You don't want to go crazy because you don't want to make it too lemony, but you know, it's up to you to decide. This is tahini, or as we call it, tahina. I don't know why Americans find it so difficult to pronounce the tahina. You just need to just act like someone's choking you to death, and you're like, and then you can say it. Anyway, I digress here. That is tahini. So put about 1/3 of the amount of hummus that you have. That's how much tahini you want, you know? I hope that made sense. And then like a little tiny, like a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, okay? Because this stuff, if you add too much, it gets bitter. But you definitely need cumin. It's an integral part of the hummus. So blitz everything up after you add it all in there. And yeah, I forgot to add the garlic. So this is me adding the garlic. And just a little bit more of that chickpea water to get it a bit more smooth. And then we're blitzing it up. Not yet, but we're gonna blitz soon. Okay, we're blitzing. See? I wasn't lying. We're blitzing. Is that the word? Blitzing? Mixing? We're doing something. So there we go. We're getting it smooth. And look at this texture. You're never gonna buy something this good from the supermarket. It's like a different product. Trust me, you have to make this. Okay, baby's sleeping, so I'm whispering here. Last thing we want is to wake the baby up. Last thing. Okay, I put a bit of paprika on this. Paprika and some spicy stuff called SOOO. I should make a video on that. But you don't have to put the spicy stuff on it. It's optional. It's really perfect without it. So let's give this guy a taste. Bit of bread. Pita bread. Any type of bread. I'm gonna kill myself. This is too good. I can't live knowing that something this good exists and I don't eat it every day. I'm not gonna kill myself. But this is, oh my God. Come on, If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment below if you want to see other videos. And please subscribe and hit the bell so you can get notifications so you can make more stuff like hummus. Bye-bye now.